Hi, next I'm going to do is my banana cake with peanut butter because I don't have butter. I'm just going to use peanut butter because why not? So here are our ingredients. So we have 3 large bananas, 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and half teaspoon salt, our magic peanut butter because again, why not? And we have 1 cup of granulated sugar, half cup of brown sugar, 3 large eggs or 4 medium-sized egg, 2 tablespoon or teaspoon of vanilla, and milk is 1.5 cup of milk or buttermilk. I don't have buttermilk, so I'm just gonna use regular milk. Alright, so let's preheat our oven again to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Don't mind the pans. So now we're gonna mash our bananas. Okay, so that's our mashed banana. So we're gonna put in next our flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon and salts, and mix together. Okay, and then here we're gonna put in our sugar, all sugar, and then eggs, and vanilla, and then mix. So next is, after mixing this, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients with this one and then adding the milk little by little until we have a batter. So instead of mixing this powder here, I'm just gonna mix it here just because this one is bigger. I mean, the container is bigger, so I'm just gonna put that here. Actually, you should do it little by little, but I don't think that's a problem. So there you go. And then this milk right here. So this is an experiment. Okay, so here's our batter, and we're gonna transfer it here to the pan. So I have 3 pans, and the batter tastes really good. I'm pretty sure it will taste delicious, and we're gonna put it in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Let's take a look later. Bye. So this is not done yet. I just took it out because I'm going to put foil. It's already brown, so it will not be burnt. I'll do the same thing for the other 2 pans. And then it's covered with foil. Let's wait another 30 minutes. So here's our finished product, our peanut butter banana cake. Come on here. And it looks really good. It smells really good. I'm pretty sure it tastes really good. There you go. Bye.